In this section we will learn how to create a sales invoice in PEASx. Go to the menu bar on the top of the screen. Select Sale. Here you can see that a shortcut is also mentioned. That is F2. This means you can press F2 to open the sales window. Now click on Sale. A new window opens. Here you can feed your customer detail, such as name, address and phone number. In order to make a sales invoice you must have a ledger of the customer. If you do not know how to create a ledger, please follow our other videos. Search the customer by name. When you search the customer you can see that some related customers are suggested to the bottom of the screen. You can press down arrow key to select the customer from the list. Select the appropriate customer and press enter. Your customer information will be filled in these fields. Press enter and move to the search bar. Search the item you want to sell. When you search an item, some related items are suggested to the bottom of the screen. Press down arrow key and select the item and press enter. A small pop-up window opens. Here all the details of the items is loaded. Enter quantity and press enter key. Your cursor will go to the price field. You can change the price here or just press enter if the price is correct. Press enter and move to save. Your item is added to the sales invoice. A new invoice number is generated when your first item is added. Now you can see that your cursor has moved to this field. If you have more items to add, you can search the item here. Again, when you search the item, the suggestion screen appears to the bottom of the screen. Select the item and press enter. Enter quantity and move to save. When you move from one field to another, press enter key in the keyboard. Like this you can keep adding items until you are done. When you are adding the items in your invoice, you can see that the invoice total is being calculated. If you are done, close the pop-up screen. Now your sales invoice is ready. If you want to print the invoice, go to the print button and click. The print preview will open. You can print the invoice by clicking here. Press escape to close the preview screen. Thank you.